young, it's more fun when you're at a wedding and doing it.
It is. Lights on.
Hold up one.
Nah, you don't need much.
You don't need them. They're just fun to have.
Guess what, team? Let's not fuck this up, okay?
Excuse me, do you know who's on your team?
Right.
Hence why let's not fuck this up.
Fuck you!
I'm not talking about you.
Fuck you. Okay? Fuck you.
I see what he did there.
Fuck
He
you.
just redirected the joke to you. Captain Hawkins.
Hey, whoa. Watch the dome piece. This is precious, dude. Seriously.
This is our future generation you're talking about. He could be the president for all you know. You're about to scalp him.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. President.
You can't
Yeah. When I start playing president, that's like, not the first.
Look at it. We got the future leader of the IRA right here. You Mick bastard. You hear what I said earlier when we were.
You can be my assistant.
You hear what I said? You hear what I said when we were both walking to the other end of the thing?
No.
There's not enough potatoes in this field for both of us.
I'm gonna go sit the downstairs door. Oh, hi, Dan.
No! None of that!
Huh?
Shame on you!
Hey, yo! Don't shoot me at the end of the hallway! I'm gonna be right here under this little window. Wrapping this crap. Don't shoot me.
Right in the nips. Just like
My
Joe.
gun always.
Alright, Sarah.
He already
one
knows,
more
bro.
minute to find your room.
My gun shoots full auto. Only someone parachute time.
I will knife someone.
No, you won't. You're not gonna get close.
My gun shoots full auto.
I just want to let you guys know they're all in your bedroom.
Of course. Where else they are?
Wait, are they all?
Yes.
Most of them, yes.
I think there's like 2 of them in that one.
Alright, Sarah, you got 10 seconds.
Fuck us.
Who does this guy think he is just standing?
Game will start in 3, 2, 1, go!
I got one. Right in the fucking nut, or no, not nuts in my knee. I'm coming for you! Yeah. Bing! Oh, damn! Yes, you can. I suggest you do it. Yes, Fuck! Wow! That was the shit! Holy fuck! Hit! Medic! Drag.
Keep the door open.
Drag.
We gotta get to the end, that kid needs help. Let's go.
Oh shit, wait, you guys don't have a medic? Shit.
Do we have a medic?
No, you don't.
You have 1 minute so you can move from your room.
Aren't you dead, bro?
No, we have 3.
fucking hit. They're in that room right there. Yeah.
Hey guys, close that light switch. Close the light switch. John, watch the door. We're on the defensive now, okay?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I saw you. Got scared.
We're all hit in here. Don't shoot.
Sorry. Love you. Shit. Yeah, I heard, doesn't it? Yeah. That's not the business. No, not yet. I think we're still playing. Close the door.
There's no door, just move this wall.
Oh, so that should be you. Might want to duck then. Oh, wait, did I hit you first? Yeah, did I hit you first?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. We're both hit.
Okay. Medic.
30 seconds.
Medic.
30 seconds.
Holy shit. Go do it.
That's game.
Did I get anybody in that room?
No.
God damn it.
You got me though.
I got everybody in this damn
Are
room.
you the dude I got the 1911? Come around the corner.
No.
No,
This is just
No, like when I came around the corner. Was that 1911?
Huh?